What 5x120 wheel spaces should I get for Honda Civic Type R? Let's get it. If you are the owner of a Honda Civic Type R, maybe you want to give it an even more aggressive stance by increasing the track width a bit. That's where 5x120 wheel spaces come in. Honda Civic Type R wheel spaces allow you to push the wheels out slightly from the hub, creating a wider track and often a more planned, aggressive look. But not all 5x120 wheel spaces are created equal. If you want a set specially designed for the Civic Type R that meets the highest standards for safety and quality, which 5x120 wheel spaces are best for Honda Civic Type R? When it comes to 5x120 wheel spaces, the team at BONOSS has you covered with some serious impressive hardware. These spaces are not some cheap universal set. They are precision engineered especially for the Type R and manufacturing for premium materials. Let's dive into what makes BONOSS wheel spaces stand out. Whether you want a subtle 10mm spaces for improved stylish or more aggressive 25mm setup, BONOSS 5x120 wheel spaces for the Civic Type R deliver uncompromising quality and safety. With their FT cooling design, premium forged aluminum construction, and robust lug nuts and bolts, you can push your Type R performance without risking your wheels. BONOSS Honda Civic Type R wheel spaces are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS Honda Civic Type R wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation booths to make brake cooling better, distributed in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So if you want the perfect blend of style and performance for your Civic Type R, don't settle for inferior wheel spacers. Set up to the quality, innovation, and craftsmanship of BONOSS spacers.